What up, what up, what up? It's your man Boss Gang VIP back with the weekly money watch. I am out and about taking care of business, but of course, I had to make sure that I'm giving you guys this work. Last week was absolutely phenomenal in the market. We got some rate decisions. Jerome Powell said we're going to leave the rates flat for now. We'll see where we go from here, but the market pushed back up. If you haven't already, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so that you can get the drops as soon as they're available. Not going to take too much of your time. Let's get into it. As we always do, we're going to start out with the Roth IRA. Good news, we actually hit a new all-time high on the portfolio this week. I'm definitely excited about that. The new purchases seem to be working out, and we're absolutely going in the direction we need to go. If there's anybody that you know who needs help with investing, with getting started, with setting up a Roth, make sure to refer them to the channel. I believe I am the best person in the world to help these people get started on the right track, and we're going to let the results speak for themselves. Let's get into the economic outlook for the week of Monday, May 6th. We have a couple Fed speakers on Monday. We have a Fed speaker on Tuesday, consumer credit, Wednesday, wholesale inventories, a couple more Fed speakers, a lot of Fed speakers, initial jobless claims that people are going to be looking for. Mary Daly speaks. I don't know if you're familiar with that name. You'll see that quite often. And then Friday, we have consumer sentiment along with more Fed speakers and the monthly U.S. federal budget. As far as the almanac this week, there's not much going on. Historically, Monday has been down more times than not, but not necessarily bearish. Tuesday has been overall bullish for the most part. Wednesday bullish for the most part. Thursday pretty mixed, and Friday a little bit mixed. The Friday before Mother's Day, Dow has been up 19 of the last 29 trading sessions. Let's get into the plays for this week. This is going to be pretty clean for me. I'm actually looking at XME, one of the sectors in SPY, which has a lot of material companies in there. As you can see, year over year, the stock has been going up and up and up. The industry has been going up and up and up. We're coming off a broadening formation on a 3-day chart, and we're looking to push back up and continue the bullish momentum that has been going on for years. So a lot of times people like to get caught up in short-term price movement. I'm a macro trader, so I look at the macro trends, and it allows me to take entries on micro timeframes to maximize options profits. Pretty clean, right? So we're looking at this move off of a couple broadening formations on XME. I'm looking for materials to push back up. I'm going to start off with Freeport, McNamara Gold, copper and gold. This is pretty clean right here. Let me go to the 2-day. I believe I got the entry on the 2-day. On this one, sure do. Looking for entries above $50.55. Let me get this in the screen. So we're looking for a 2-1-2-day above $50.55. As you can see, we closed the week $50.45. So the trigger is only 10 cents away there. We're looking for this to continue the momentum and continue to push up. Pretty clean. My play that I am most excited about is going to be CLF, Cleveland Cliffs. I absolutely love this chart, especially when we're looking at this monthly 3-2 down and the failed 2 down, which means that the price action currently on the month pushed back inside of the previous month's price action, and we have a long way to go, even if it were to go halfway up this outside bar right here. On this one, we're looking for entries on the 3-day above $17.66. So this would be a 2-2 3-day above $17.66. Again, this is my favorite stock for this week and going forward. So I'm a macro trader. I like to take advantage of things that I believe are going to move over time. And you heard me say it on On April 5th, I really, really like CLF. I'm going to repeat that. I really, really like CLF 223 day above 1766. Do with that information what you will. I really, really like CLF 223 day above 1766. The last stock I'm going to be looking at, ET, Energy Transfer, not a materials play, but just one of my favorite stocks overall. If you know me, you know ET is one of my favorite stocks. I've talked about it in the Roth portfolio videos, and if you've been trading with me for any amount of time, you know this is one of my favorite stocks. I am a shareholder, and I am currently holding options in ET, and this is presenting opportunities going forward to take new entries. So as long as things are going up, I'm a macro trader year over year. This stock has been absolutely phenomenal. They're continuing to increase dividends, and I'm excited to be a part of that. And when you have the opportunity to get in on these macro trends, you definitely want to do that. So I always encourage everyone to zoom out on your chart so you can get the overall picture of what's happening on the macro, so that you're better able to take advantage of those on the micro. What I'm actually looking for entries on this, a 322 3-day above $15.99. That's about 10 cents away from the closing price. Just to get you updated on the details, 32 cents a share dividends on 510. So definitely be aware of that. If we get any pullbacks in price action, those will present other buying opportunities. Also, we have earnings on the 8th after market 3:30 Central Time. So definitely be aware of that. With that being said, I'm looking forward to having an absolutely fantastic week. If you have any questions, make sure to put them down below. If you haven't already and you appreciate this information, make sure to click the like button so that I can show up in the algorithms and help as many people as possible. And again, I'm going to reiterate, I really, really like CLF 223 day above $17.66. With that being said, if you get any wins, let me know. Put those in the comments below as well. Share this channel with the people that you love. My name is Boss Gang VIP. This has been another edition of the Weekly Money Watch. I'm going to catch up with you guys next week. Talk to you later. I'm out. Peace.